I'm Nova Iriansyah, the Governor of Aceh, Indonesia. We are here since the last week of October, bringing the light of Aceh into a spotlight, showcasing Aceh cultural and features products for the visitors at Expo 2020 Dubai. We have conducted series of business forums such as Sabang Free Trade Zone Special Economic Zone of Arun Losmawe, tourism development in Pulau Banyak, briquette coconut charcoal industry in Biren, and tourism Aceh investment potential, and also cultural performances during our participation here in Dubai. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also participating in rolling exhibition bringing Aceh creative and sustainable products such as home decor, accessories, Aceh handbag, fashion, top commodities such as Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee. There is also here and spices such as pepper, clovers, nutmeg, chocolate, and essential oils which origin from and made in Aceh. I hope the visitors will be a glimpse of our province with its potential and the beauty of Aceh. Don't forget to visit Indonesia Pavilion this week and you will meet the Aceh Corner. We will see you at Indonesian Pavilion. Thank you.